What makes the F-35B so special? It lands like a helicopter. The F-35B sacrifices about a third of its fuel volume to accommodate its shaft-driven lift fan, SDLF, which allows it to land vertically like a helicopter and take off from very short runways. The F-35B uses the probe and drogue method for aerial refueling. The Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II was only the second operational fifth-generation combat aircraft, but it is also essentially 3 planes in one. In addition to the conventional takeoff and landing (CTOL) variant, the F-35A, there is the F-35C, which features larger wings and more robust landing gear, making it suitable for catapult launches and fly-in arrestments aboard naval aircraft carriers. The Lockheed Martin manufactured multi-role fighter features low observable stealth while its active electronically scanned array (AESA) radar technology, and the ability to carry weapons internally enables the F-35B to engage ground targets at long ranges. It has a top speed of Mach 1.6 or 1,200 miles per hour, 1.6 times the speed of sound. It has a maximum thrust in excess of 40,000 pounds and an operational range of 900 nautical miles. The F-35B has a Mach 7G rating.